All right, so as a newbie to online marketing, how would you make $100 per day?
So the answer is very simple. I would go on Upwork.com and start selling my services. Now, you might already have a skill set, like SEO, Facebook ads, or content, right? In which case, pretty simple. You go on to Upwork.com, you start applying for jobs, send out video proposals where you send a video of why you're a good fit. That's a tip I learned from my friend Tommy Joyner. And yeah, that's the easiest way to get started. Now, what do you do if you don't have a skill set? Here's the thing, you can learn a new skill set to a good level, enough to make $100 a day within a month or two. So for example, let's say you want to learn how to do copywriting. Then you could learn that skill set within 1 month of intense 6 hours a day, just hitting the books, reading the great copywriting books, practicing, copying sales letter by hands. There are a lot of people who've been able to, within a couple of months, get to that point, and I know a lot of them personally. For example, if you wanted to learn Facebook ads, you could also do that. Or, you know what the best, easiest opportunity is right now? Learn YouTube ads. There are so many Facebook ad agencies, there are so many copywriters, but there are so few people running YouTube advertising campaigns. So if you can learn how to run YouTube advertising for your clients, you have a huge blue ocean to target. So that is how I would get started, right? If I want to hit $100 a day quickly. And I truly do think that you can hit $100 a day within 2 to 3 months. If you're really hard hitting, I think within like 45 days, even if you take it a bit slower, within 90 days, you can make $100 a day online. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free link to a guide below, which teaches you the 3 mistakes I made as a freelancer that cost me so much time and money, and what you need to do to avoid making those 3 mistakes. Click the link below if you're interested in grabbing that.
With our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk